Every day, Earth faces a cosmic battle, a relentless bombardment of charged particles from the solar wind, traveling at speeds of over 1 million miles per hour. Without protection, these powerful particles could strip away our atmosphere, leaving Earth exposed, lifeless, and barren, just like Mars. But our planet has a hidden hero, an invisible force field that shields us from harm. It's called the magnetic field, and it exists because of a powerful yet mysterious process deep inside our planet, known as the geodynamo. Let's take a journey deep beneath the surface, 2,800 kilometers down, to the outer core, where we find a massive, churning ocean of molten iron and nickel. Temperatures here soar between 4,000 to 6,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than the surface of the sun. But this molten sea isn't just boiling, it's in motion. So, what sets this metal in motion? Two key forces. 1. The inner core's super-rotation. Earth's inner core, a solid sphere of iron and nickel, spins slightly faster than the rest of the planet, about 19 kilometers per year faster. This difference in motion stirs the molten metal around it. 2. Heat convection and Earth's rotation. Heat from the inner core rises, while cooler material sinks, creating swirling convection currents in the outer core. Meanwhile, Earth's rotation twists these currents into spirals due to a force known as the Coriolis effect. Together, these forces create enormous electric currents, and where there's electricity, there's magnetism. This is the geodynamo, the engine that generates Earth's magnetic field. But here's where things get really interesting. Earth's magnetic field isn't static. Right now, the North Magnetic Pole is near 86 degrees N, 147 degrees W, but it's constantly moving, shifting 50 to 60 kilometers per year, faster than ever before. Scientists are still studying why this drift is accelerating. And sometimes, Earth's magnetic poles completely reverse. Every few 2 million years, the North Magnetic Pole becomes the South, and vice versa. We know this because of an incredible discovery. The ocean floor holds a record of Earth's magnetic past. As molten rock from the mid-ocean ridges cools, iron minerals inside lock in the direction of Earth's magnetic field like tiny compass needles. Over time, these layers form a striped pattern on the seafloor, showing each magnetic reversal, like a natural barcode of Earth's history. But don't worry, magnetic reversals don't happen overnight. They can take thousands of years to complete, and there's no evidence they cause global disasters. Earth's magnetic field does more than just move compass needles, it plays a crucial role in protecting life itself. It shields us from harmful solar radiation, preventing our atmosphere from being stripped away. It deflects cosmic rays, which can damage living cells and cause genetic mutations. It even helps animals navigate. Birds, sea turtles, and even some bacteria use the magnetic field to find their way across the planet. Without this invisible shield, our planet would be far less hospitable. Scientists believe that Mars once had a magnetic field, but when its core cooled and solidified, it lost its geodynamo, and with it, most of its atmosphere. Now, Mars is a cold, dry, and barren world. So, what does the future hold for Earth's magnetic field? Will the magnetic poles flip again? Yes, but it could take thousands of years. Will the field weaken? Possibly, but it always recovers. Will Earth ever lose its magnetic field completely? Not as long as the outer core remains molten. Scientists are studying the geodynamo more than ever before, using satellites like SWARM to measure magnetic changes and supercomputer simulations to model its behavior. One thing is clear, our planet's molten heart is still alive, still moving, and still protecting us. So, the next time you hold a compass, watch the northern lights, or hear about migratory animals, remember, Deep within our planet, the geodynamo is working tirelessly to keep Earth safe, stable, and full of life.
Please like, share and subscribe to Earth Diary to see more such videos.